Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube premium subscription on your iPhone. Ladies and gentlemen, launch the settings app on your iPhone from your home screen. Now go ahead and select your Apple ID, which is displayed at the top of your settings menu. Go and look for subscriptions and navigate to the subscriptions section. View all active subscriptions. Locate and tap on YouTube Premium from your list of subscriptions. You can now tap on the cancel subscription button at the bottom of the screen. You can confirm your decision to stop auto renewal and you can complete the process. Now, if you haven't used your Apple ID to make the purchase, you can actually do this just by going into the YouTube app, tapping on your profile picture on the bottom right hand side of the screen and going down to YouTube Premium features. Within this menu, you'll be able to cancel your subscription. I hope this was helpful.